And with the worst transition ever.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't have my mic, so you might be not getting the clear voice, but yeah, I am going to wear this and go to sleep. And I heard that you get a clear glass skin if you apply this in sleep, so it's full collagen in there. So let's see how it works. Tomorrow I'm going to show you my glass skin. If this really works, it is going to show the effect, or else I'm just screwed and scammed. Thought of the day: please make friends, please make good friends, because it does matter. It does matter, because in there you'll feel so good after having talked to a friend who is always there for you. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I don't know, it's 5:55 here and the weather is so good. I don't know how to say it. Just rained last night, and everything is so green. Everything is so green. Yesterday I slept at like around 11:30, and I was talking to a friend. Oh my god, like having that one friend or couple of friends in life is so important. So important. Like it can literally make your mood, make you feel so good. Like I was talking to one of my friend, and on a Sunday evening we had gone to Scone, and I literally danced so much, and such a good feeling. Like I don't know how to say this, how to express this, but if you get time, not only clubs and restaurants or cafes, go to Scone on a Sunday and you will love the dance. The way they dance on Scone, you'll feel like you are in it and you're also dancing. So automatically you'll start dancing. To be singing and chanting with your friends, like that is the top notch. What a life, what a day it was. So when you grow old, you'll not cherish anything, great. Oh, I did this in life. Oh, I did that. You will cherish these moments. Like these moments are like a treasure for you, and don't stop making memories with your friends, because while growing old, you guys are only going to have that and nothing else. Like And what? I don't know, the mask did something to my face or not, but I don't know, maybe I'm feeling good. It just made it a little oily, a little more locked. So I don't know. And what? And I'm going to do exercise now. I'll do some nice yoga. I know my mom has not come yet. I'm just waiting for her. If she comes, we're gonna do it together, because I don't know, intense workout. I feel like you should have a partner with you. Though she does not do intense workout, she just does what I tell her, because she's grown old. Like, I can give her the intense exercise, but doing along with her, I can do, and I feel good. Alone now, I just feel like I just sit, do some pranam and all that. Vaishnavi is coming over to the place, and we have planned to make brownie with ice cream. So she had cooked brownie, but that was egg, and I don't eat egg. So she was like, I will cook for you without the egg. And then today she is coming. We'll also play a lot of games because I want to give her that feeling, no, like she's always studying, so she needs some refreshment, like revive kind of thing. Shiva is also coming over, but not today. She's coming in a week, less than a week, I think 4 days. Because, yeah, 4 days. And I can't wait to be with her. Like, just give me my slipper. I miss all this, bro. I miss getting beaten up by her. Like, oh god, having an elder sister is such a bliss. Can you hear the koel? Chalo, I'll show you guys how I'm going to exercise. You know, I have been trying to do this headstand without support, but I know it never comes to me. Like, I cannot do it. I always have to take some support, whether it's just one finger support, but I have to take it. So, come with me to my headstand journey too. You see, that's it, guys. This was my yoga session that I just had. I just have one plant defaulted in me. This was a very pretty plant, but I know it didn't exist anymore. It's dead, I think. It had a really beautiful, leaf as well as flower. It was like a soft white flower, and the middle they had the red kind of, you know, another flower. So just flower and flower, white and red. Very pretty, but I don't have to complain. In this entire garden. And the best thing is like this plant, the one you're seeing with a lot of flowers. This plant, I thought it wouldn't exist and it was already dead like that plant, but I kind of figured it out how to protect it and all. I used to literally, I had the I had bought supplements for it. I had bought everything that was required, and now it's giving the best flowers among all of them. I used to give supplements to other plant also, but I don't know. They just felt like this supplement is mine, and it just accepted, and the flower is phenomenal. Like it gives me so much pleasure. Like from a dead plant, I made it bloom. So that's the power of creating a small garden in your balcony, or let's say whatever you have an empty place. So it always makes you feel good. Because I guess mom was gonna come in few minutes, and let me start with my skating because I think it's been a couple of days I didn't practice. Practice is very important. It makes you reach the level of perfect.
Baby, don't be sorry for me. Gonna just be history. You say you're running from me. Baby, it's your story. Baby, don't be sorry for me. Gonna just be history.
I was just reading this book and I just came over. I'm the 100th page now, but I just read a line and it just blew my mind. Like it's like Tuesday with Maury. So every Tuesday they be talking about something related to the word. So on the fifth Tuesday they were talking about a family. Like not about a family. Like, how important family is there, like how important family is in your life. Like, if you don't have a family, you're just like a bird without a wing. And I cannot I cannot relate it more, because family is something you go to when the world is slipping away. You have one place to go to, and that's your family. I'll just read out this line. The fact is, there is no foundation, no secure grounds upon which people may stand today if it isn't the family. Bro, I hope everyone understands the importance of family. And this entire year has made me realize how important it was for someone to be there to look after you. Like, even when you're going somewhere far off places, like very far, there'll be someone who will be tracking you down, who will be caring for you, and who will be eager to know where you are, how you are, and everything is fine with you. So I love this work. It's nice. Matlab, it'll grounded. It'll feel like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Everything is everything that we have is with us and is present in the moment. You just have to open your eyes and look for it, and maybe you'll find the thing you're looking for. So that is the thing. I have to go and take shower. I cannot do like morning reading is so have become a part of me. If I'm not doing it, I'll feel the entire day so incomplete. So I make sure that at least I read 20 to 30 pages every morning. So I built a good habit, you guys. Well, I just took a bath, and here we have a Saturday lunch brunch, can say. And we're gonna eat khichdi, chokha, and a lot of other stuff. Oh, khichdi with ghee is like khichdi with wings. Let's go and take some nice walk, because I'm feeling exhausted sitting on the computer since 10 o'clock. And oh my god, it's so pretty. Well, let me show you guys like from the back camera. Like, can you see the detailing of this flower? It's so pretty. Like, I don't know what to say about the sky today. It's looking so good. The sky today is just skying so much, and my hair giving its best possible figure. I'm going to take a time lapse of the beautiful sunset. I cannot skip this because I think today is a perfect day. All that sky is gonna fly this side, and we're gonna have one of the best sunset today. I wish I had a group of friends, group of literal gang who could just come with me and we could explore, because अकेले भाई कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, to be honest. You know, in a very, very clear weather, you can see mountain ranges. I had seen. Looks so unreal, no? I think I'm just gonna stay here for more 20 minutes, and then I'm going to take the time lapse of the beautiful sunset. I think today's my entire vlog will be about the sky, the weather, and everything else in between. I was also thinking about painting something. The weather is cute. Got our canvas ready, our paint ready, our paintbrush ready. Let's go! Half the way, guys, half the way, and water we have canvas, the paints, and we are done. And yeah, like I told you all in the morning that Vashni would be coming over, so she's right here, and we are kind of going to make a brownie with ice cream today, a full restaurant style, a cafe style more precisely. And yeah, we have all the ingredients that is required to make the brownie, so we are going to try our level best to reach up to that level. Also, everything is ready, like we have to just after Kajal is done with the cleaning, we are going to move in. So for the timing, we thought, why to waste time, and we might play something along with the girl, the guest. Yeah, do you want to say something about the week that you just had?
Frustrating,
Hmm?
very frustrating week.
Why?
But I felt good because it has started raining here in Bihar. Why do I look like a ghost?
No, you don't look like a ghost. I will tell you, looking very pretty today.
मेरा कान बज रहा guys.
Okay, so we are going to play a game for the time being that she's getting the kitchen prepared for us. We have two games here, all right? It's Would You Rather and Never Have I Ever. So I'm just gonna be like this, okay?
Okay.
Which one do you choose? Which one do you choose? Tell fast.
This.
This one, okay.
Oh
She-
no, I want to play this.
No, we are going to play. We'll play after, like after we have set everything, and
Fine.
for the time being, the brownie will get baked. We'll play this game. For time, we'll just keep it aside. We're going to play this. Never have I ever. So, do you want to
Shuffle.
No. Do you want to read the instruction?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick a card, read it loud, admit whether or not you have done what's written. You need to have something to drink with the game. We don't have something to drink. I was thinking of taro, but that
I
is too
love
sugary.
taro.
We can take a scoop of ice cream.
And that
after
is not
every-
sugary.
No, matlab, either one of the things. So we are going to have ice cream along with brownie. So I thought for this game also we can keep ice cream. Get the ice cream now, go.
Kajal.
No, no. So she's gone to get the ice
Kajal.
cream. And right, the last step is if you have done what's written on the card, you get a scoop of ice cream to eat. Otherwise, you don't. All right.
Alright.
Let's first shuffle it so that we get the maximum out of the card. Yo guys. Chalo. First me or first you?
First you.
Alright. Never have I ever been attracted to a uniformed person. I have. I've been attracted to a pilot.
When did you ever see a pilot?
I saw a pilot.
Oh, at the airport and all, they be roaming around.
Yeah. And it was, I think, when I was going to Bangalore. Then blah blah blah.
A uniform person. Yeah, I have.
Who?
Well, that's a mystery. I'll never tell.
No, you have to tell it.
I was just saying a line of a movie. What is it?
So we
Yeah,
get
pilot
to
and like navigational officers and blah blah blah. Every people in uniform.
choose. Take one.
Alright.
Just one scoop you have to take, huh?
You're going on eating. This was a fourth spoon. Never have I ever stolen cigarettes or alcohol. I've never.
I think I have, and I'll tell you the story. Simran had come to my place, and it was maybe when I was in class 10, yeah. 10 final exam. It was morning, and literally, we were eating breakfast, and we just opened the fridge, and there was a bottle of my father. And I just took one glass and gave it to Simran to drink. So that was it. You. Okay. Never have I ever been a victim of wardrobe malfunction.
I have.
I have not.
When I was in class 5, we had this seating. Okay, I was in some local school. Okay, and then we were all seated for Mahatma Gandhi's speech. Okay, and I was very, I used to like giving speech, and also when it was my turn, not my turn exactly, the teacher told, and we were sitting on the floor on the carpet, and then teacher was like, whoever wants to speak, then just speak. And I was all prepared because I knew 15th August was coming, and so I was all prepared. And as I got up, my skirt was, up. And and what? And then Diet Hall saw my,
Chaddi.
yeah.
Next, you ask.
Right. Never have I cried. Never have I ever cried while having wax. I have.
I have not.
First,
I shouted,
I only-
and Shiva was like, "No, it'll not pain." And yeah, I didn't cry.
I only waxed my once in my entire life, and I cried. And the wax lady was traumatized.
Never have I ever been slapped in public. I have.
By
Shiva.
same, I was going to say the same. Never have I ever bribed a government employee or official.
I had no, so I had to take a scoop.
I have. When we were doing this shifting thing in coronavirus time, and we were in BK Paul, and I had walked all the way to the government building.
Acha, yeah.
And then they were not letting us enter because it was corona time, and then we had just given money.
Yeah, I was not there. No. Next. Never have I ever made a kid cry purposely.
Ooh, I have 1,000 every time. Every time I have a baby in my hands or near me, I do it purposely.
I have not. Like, I'm so kind to them. I literally give my whole heart. And I make sure that even when the mother is not there or the child, I make sure the child doesn't cry because, I give the full treatment
What's the
of a
purpose
mother.
of?
Like,
Never have I ever cheated on someone.
never.
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 Okay.
I know it's not in our blood to
Oh,
cheat,
Your turn.
Never have I ever dated someone famous. No.
Wild card. What does this mean?
Madam, you can ask anything.
Okay. Never have I ever wanted to marry early in my life.
No, I didn't.
No, I
I
have.
still don't.
And I still do.
You want to
Life
marry
sucks.
early? I never thought that was coming, you guys.
Never have I ever swallowed chewing gum. Oh, today morning I did.
I did. But long ago, like when I was Nancy's. It's like by mistake. I never wanted to, but
First time. Never have I ever lied about an injury
I have.
to gain sympathy.
And to be very honest, I never, in my entire 10 to 12 years of my hostel life, I've never been to the sick room. I loved eating khichdi, so I used to go to my friend who was sick. I used to take the khichdi from her. I used to eat and run. Like run. I don't know who loves sick rooms khichdi. I do. Never have I ever run away from home.
You were going to.
I was going to, but I didn't. So I don't get the scoop of ice cream. You?
No. Never have I ever had a hit and run accident. Oh, I saw a hit and run accident in front of me.
I had. Somebody else was driving, but I was in the front seat and I witnessed it with my eyes. It was deadly. I'll tell you the story. We're just going, okay? We're just going for some random drive, and then I don't know, we're just talking like this, and there was jam. Okay, the jam moved, but we didn't. Okay, and then slowly the car just dragged itself and just touched a bit. You won't believe the other person sitting in the car was a lady, and she told us to stop by. at the side. We thought it didn't even touch, matlab it just barely touched, so why should we? We ran. You won't believe, she followed us. And she was a great driver. Like, she was driving exponentially good, like full professional. And she followed us till the last, and we had to stop. You know why? Because she overtook us, and then she just like drifted her car. Okay, so we had to stop, and she like made a scene out of it. Like, literally, she made a scene out of it. Not only that, she went to police. She complained against us, and then there was a lot of thing, and she just wanted money. I don't know, nothing had happened to her car, and she purposely, next day, she purposely broke it, took it to the police, and what she wanted 3 to 4 lakh rupees, and because her insurance didn't cover that thing, and third party kuch aisa tha, and she wanted like 3 to 4 lakh. Just because of that, she broke her own car, and she like proved us wrong. So that was so bad experience.
Whatever, whatever. Never have I ever done shit on a plane, boat, or train or bus. Oh
I
God,
have.
entire childhood went in this.
Never have I ever been satisfied after a haircut.
Never,
never.
never.
Never have I ever regretted helping someone.
Oh, I have regretted because it just backfired me, bro.
I cannot remember.
We have a last. Never have I ever. Okay.
last, guys.
Never have I ever pretended to like someone just to get work done. Of course I have.
I have. Obviously, everyone do, obviously. But it's fine. You know, it works like that.
See, my hair is growing finally. Don't you feel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, game over. Let's cook brownie. How do you do the transition? Let's cook brownie.
Now, guys, we'll cook brownie. Let's go.
Welcome back to my video.
Oh.
I do this every time Mani is not here. Please don't put this in the video.
हम आज बनाने वाले हैं brownie with ice cream. First, we'll concentrate on the brownie. So Vaishnavi, the chef herself, is cooking the brownie, and let's see what she is currently doing. We'll also take you through the process, because many of you are also going to ask me the recipe and ingredient
Nobody
and stuff.
asks, you know. Kidding.
So this is the time you guys concentrate on the video, watch till the end, because you're going to get a very good recipe of brownie.
Yeah, actually it is very easy and so yummy, so yummy. Like when I say a dessert is yummy, trust me, it is.
To start with the melting process of the butter,
Yeah,
and
that's
once
it.
it's done,
We're
gonna keep it back. We're also going to add chocolate in the butter for the great, consistency of the topping, or can say, the entire mix that we're going to mix in the dough kind of thing. Yeah.
Then how good it melted. See, I'll show you. See, so nice.
Wow, this is actually what I used to do, like when I cook the worst cake of my life.
Nobody eat.
I literally thought it'd be nice, but it became so bad.
First,
and
never use this. What they give in the dabba, they give no premix.
cake mix.
Worst shit.
And I thought that's the best shit, and I should best shit.
And now we're going.
Okay, so we
Half.
use half of it.
So
Like the
half.
entire dabba is over now.
See, I don't believe in measurement. You just have to feel right. So this we have made
ठीक है.
chocolate butter, cocoa powder, room temperature milk. You know,
Since we don't have an oven, we're
We
going to
can
put the
put-
entire salt. 20 रुपए में काम चलने वाला है हमारा.
and very.
Salt in here.
Where is
So we're
the
just
mixer?
gonna go like this. Sugar is ready, you guys.
I told them. But
1.5 cup maida, you guys. Please be aware of the ingredients. Don't put much.
and
don't
then
put-
we put this icing sugar. Okay.
added a little. I want to show you guys. Like, she just added a little
Because
maida.
I wanted this consistency had become very flowy. No, you don't want that flowy. You just want it like, I'll show you how.
Alright. Oh, bhai Vaishnav, you're growing so thin.
buddy.
How?
Thanks.
Oh, this namak jal raha hai, bhai.
You put entire salt.
Yeah, how much
Oh
to put?
my god, Hema. Keep it back.
How much to keep it back?
One work, and she put the entire salt.
Oh,
pack.
bhai, you only had told me to put, okay?
I just said you to layer it. Like, you know, just one layer it. We're gonna use a vanilla essence. It is from Veganic. And put according to your thing. Like, I put almost 7 to 8 drops. You know? And then we mix. Okay? So this should be the consistency. After that, we're gonna use a pinch of baking powder, like this much. Add it. And a pinch of baking soda.
Baking powder and baking soda are two different things?
Yeah, duh.
What?
And then you mix. You know, mix it एकदम properly, nicely.
paper and just stuff it. Like just do a roughly, you know.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Not everything has to be perfect. That's it. And now we're gonna pour this batter in this. Alright. We pour it half. Okay. And then we add some chocolate. And then we again pour the rest of the batter.
Guys, this is looking delicious, no? Me too. Roughly going to chop some walnuts and, you know,
And just add it here.
add it here.
Okay. And since I really do not want to waste this, so I'm just gonna put it back here.
Top it up.
Put the cover back.
After 45 minutes, we'll see Vaishnavi's master cake brownie. And what do you have to say about your brownie?
You know, you should just eat and see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's go. Let's take a walk on the terrace till time it's getting cooked.
Yeah.
Guys, you can see the brownie is almost prepared. Let's see. Kaise nikal. Oh.
Since you didn't let it settle.
I'm
you eating?
I am melted. So delicious.
देखो मुंह कैसे बनाई है.
Amazing. Bye bye. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Got me upside